Hey there. Have you ever wondered about the significance of the South African flag? It's such a colorful and vibrant symbol, don't you think?
Absolutely. The South African flag is indeed fascinating. I heard it has deep historical and cultural meanings. The combination of colors and symbols must represent something significant. Do you know the story behind it?
Yes, the South African flag has a rich history and symbolism. It was adopted on April 27, 1994, after the end of apartheid and the establishment of a democratic government in South Africa. The flag was designed by Frederick Brownell, who incorporated elements from different historical flags in the country's diverse population.
That's interesting. I know the flag has 6 colors: black, yellow, green, white, red, and blue. Each color must represent something unique. Do you know what each color signifies?
Absolutely, each color indeed has its own meaning. Black, green, and yellow are taken from the flag of the African National Congress, representing the country's black population, the land, and the resources. Red, blue, and white are from the Dutch tricolour and the British flags, symbolizing the people, the sky, and European heritage.
It's amazing how the flag combines different elements to represent the unity of the diverse population in South Africa. The Y shape in the flag is quite distinctive too. What does it stand for?
The Y shape in the flag represents the convergence of diverse elements within South African society, taking the road ahead in unity. It symbolizes the merging of different cultures, languages, and backgrounds into one nation moving forward together. It's a powerful representation of the country's journey towards unity and inclusivity.
That's a beautiful symbolism. I also heard that the South African government encourages citizens to display the flag proudly. It must instill a sense of national pride and identity among the people.
Absolutely, the flag is not just a piece of cloth. It's a symbol of the nation's identity, values, and aspirations. Displaying the flag proudly fosters a sense of unity and patriotism among the people. It's a visual representation of the democratic and inclusive South Africa that emerged after years of struggle and perseverance.
I agree. Symbols like the national flag play a significant role in shaping a country's identity and fostering a sense of belonging among its citizens. The South African flag, with its vibrant colors and meaningful symbolism, is a testament to the country's rich history and the strength of its people.
Definitely. The flag serves as a reminder of the progress South Africa has made over the years and the challenges it has overcome. It also represents the country's commitment to building a harmonious society where people from all walks of life can coexist and thrive.
It's inspiring to see how a simple piece of cloth can carry such profound meanings and unite people under a common identity. I believe symbols like the South African flag can inspire positive change and promote understanding among different communities.
Absolutely. Symbols have the power to transcend language and cultural barriers, fostering a sense of unity and pride among people. The South African flag is a shining example of how a well-designed symbol can encapsulate the essence of a nation and its people, becoming a source of inspiration and hope for generations to come.
I couldn't agree more. It's essential to recognize and appreciate the significance of national symbols like the South African flag. They remind us of our shared history, the progress we've made, and the challenges we still face. By understanding and respecting these symbols, we can work together to build a more inclusive and harmonious society.
Absolutely. Understanding the symbolism behind the flag is key to appreciating the values and principles it represents. It's a constant reminder that despite our differences, we are all part of the same nation, sharing a common destiny. By embracing these symbols, we can foster a sense of belonging and pride, strengthening the bonds that hold our society together.
Well said. Symbols like the South African flag are not just colorful designs. They are mirrors reflecting the soul of a nation. They remind us of our collective history, struggles, and triumphs. By respecting and honoring these symbols, we acknowledge the diverse tapestry of our society and work towards a future where everyone is valued and respected.
Absolutely. Symbols like the South African flag serve as a beacon of hope and a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. They remind us that no matter how diverse our backgrounds may be, we are all part of something greater, a shared heritage and a common journey towards a better future. It's a powerful reminder that unity, understanding, and acceptance can triumph over division and discord.
I couldn't agree more. In a world often divided by differences, symbols like the South African flag inspire us to look beyond the surface and recognize our shared humanity. They teach us that unity and acceptance can pave the way for a brighter tomorrow, where diversity is celebrated and everyone has a rightful place in society.
Absolutely. Embracing diversity and celebrating our differences is what makes our society rich and vibrant. The South African flag stands as a testament to the power of unity and diversity, reminding us that despite our varied backgrounds, we are all equal members of the human family. It's a reminder that tolerance, acceptance, and understanding can bridge gaps and create a more compassionate world for everyone.
Well said. The South African flag's story is not just limited to its design. It encompasses the spirit of a nation that has risen above adversity and emerged stronger and more united. It's a story of resilience, hope, and the unwavering belief in the potential for positive change. By understanding and appreciating this story, we can draw inspiration to tackle the challenges of our time with determination and optimism.
Absolutely. The story of the South African flag serves as a powerful narrative of transformation and triumph over oppression. It shows the world that even in the face of immense challenges, a nation can come together, embrace its diversity, and build a future where everyone is valued and respected. It's a beacon of hope for society struggling with division and injustice, reminding us that change is possible when people unite for a common cause.
Indeed, the South African flag story is a testament to the strength of the human spirit and the power of unity. It stands as a living symbol of the country's journey from darkness to light, from division to unity. By understanding and internalizing this story, we can draw valuable lessons about the importance of empathy, compassion, and the collective pursuit of a better world.
Absolutely. The South African flag's story is a universal message of hope and inspiration. It teaches us that no matter how dire the circumstances may be, unity, tolerance, and understanding can pave the way for a brighter future. By embracing the lessons of the South African experience, we can work towards creating a world where every individual is respected, valued, and given the opportunity to thrive.
Well said. The South African flag story is a reminder that positive change is possible when people come together with open hearts and minds. It inspires us to break down barriers, challenge prejudice, and work towards a world where diversity is not just accepted but celebrated. By carrying the spirit of the South African flag in our hearts, we can contribute to building a more inclusive and